Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix iTunes gift card not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix iTunes gift card not working, first method that you can use is re-enter the code carefully. Small typing mistakes are the most common problem, so what you can do is look at the code on the back of your card, type slowly, and avoid mixing up 0 with O's, 1 with I's, and 5 with S. And if it's a digital code, you can simply copy and paste it. The next method is check if the card is for the correct reason. iTunes or Apple card are reason locked. For example, US card works only on US Apple ID and UK card only works on UK Apple ID. So simply check the country printed on the card and make sure your Apple ID is set to the same country. Then next step that you can do is check if the code was already redeemed. It may be already used, so to check it, simply head over and open up your settings. Then inside settings, select your Apple ID name on the top. Then once you're inside your Apple account page, what you need to do is simply scroll down and then tap on media and purchases, and on tapping it you'll find the option view account. Simply select that. And once you're inside your view account option, what you need to do here is scroll down and then check your Apple ID balance. If the balance increased previously, then the card was already redeemed. Then the next method you can use is turn off VPN or proxy. Apple may be block redemption while using app VPN as well. So simply turn off any VPN that is turned on and then restart your device. Simply head over back and open up your App Store. Tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then select redeem gift card or code. Then simply try again. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.